Picture this. A tranquil neighborhood filled with put-together families and put-together lives. Suburban houses, the minivan daily, a golden retriever named Bud. Damn, that's a cute dog. Picturesque. So calm, so peaceful. The only sound for blocks being Clark's 2023 Z700 series John Deere zero-turn lawnmower. He mows his lawn to 3/8 of an inch, even though his local HOA only requires a maximum of ½ inch. Clark's a good neighbor. More people should be like Clark. Good behavior and comportment brings up the property value after all. And then there's you. Even though your mom raised you right, tried her best to dot all her I's and cross all her T's, keep you out of trouble. You've always had a thing for standing out. You love old cars, making noise, and causing a scene. Somehow, by the stroke of luck, you won the lottery. And like the planets aligning, you bought the house right next to Clark, in the cute little neighborhood. And the first thing you want to do to that sweet little neighborhood is piss off the local HOA. Piss off Clark. Fast track the town eviction notice at light speed. Well, lucky for you, we have the perfect car exhaust for you. Let's get at it. First, you want to build some ridiculous exhaust tips. Think of a megaphone, but make it an electric tuba. The next county needs to know your car is coming before you even get there. Next thing you want is a set of long tube headers for that mullet wearing IROC Camaro 3/4 race cam 305 you got there. Damn, she's a beauty. Bet passengers can't even grab the dollar bill on the dash when you do a pull. Sweet. Mufflers? Don't need them. Resonators? Forget about them. Cats? You mean like the equipment? Or the animal? The only noise suppression on this exhaust is the low flow 90 and 45 degree bends you welded yourself. Kinda looks like Ray Charles welded with his feet in the dark, but when you use 3.5 inch electrical conduit front to back, you already know it's gonna breathe. Last but not least, time your engine with your bad ear and let it rip.
Rev it up one more time. Yeah.
Congrats! You've only had your car out for a day, and all the Karens and cops already know your name. But hey, don't worry, you'll always be welcome back at the trailer park.